guys, I'm Shine the Scientist, and now we're going to inflate a balloon. All you need is some baking soda and vinegar. And I'm going to have my balloon, and then I'm going to put 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. 1, 2. There. And then I'm going to have my measuring cup and my vinegar. You can put how much you want in there. I'm going to put a little. There. I'm going to put some more. And then I'm going to put it in my bottle of water. My bottle. There. And then I'm going to shake the baking soda that's in my balloon so it can go all the way to the bottom. And when you feel that it's already on the bottom, you put it in. Whoa. And this is the reason why it went like this. The baking soda and the vinegar mix together and it creates carbon dioxide. And this is why it went to the balloon, because it has nowhere to go. So it makes it go. I hope you liked and I hope you enjoyed my video. And I want to know how yours turned out. Bye.